Here's a step-by-step guide to help you become rich. Welcome to our UR.AbrarArtist channel today. 1. Set clear financial goals. Define what being rich means to you and set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. 2. Live below your means. Spend less than you earn and save or invest the difference. 3. Invest wisely. Grow your wealth by investing in assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses. 4. Build multiple income streams. Diversify your income sources to reduce financial risk. 5. Minimize debt. Avoid high-interest debt and work towards becoming debt-free. 6. Build an emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses for unexpected events. 7. Educate yourself. Continuously learn about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. 8. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Focus on long-term wealth creation, not quick fixes. 9. Stay disciplined and patient. Wealth creation takes time and discipline. 10. Diversify your assets. Spread your wealth across different asset classes to minimize risk. Remember, becoming rich requires dedication, hard work, and smart financial decisions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.